Going crazy. And then let me walk away. Hi, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech. Today I'm going to talk about an unusual tech thing. I have gallbladder problems and I've had some pain below my ribs, and this has been going on for a couple of years. Yesterday the doctor sent me for a test, a gallbladder test. One of the gallbladder tests is a nuclear medicine test where they inject radioactive isotope which goes into the gallbladder and they test the function. It's called Gallbladder Ejection Fraction test. What they do is they have an enzyme which they first put in an IV, and then it contracts the gallbladder to empty it. And then they put the radioactive material in. They put you under a radiation detector in nuclear medicine, and the radiation goes through your system and eventually it gets to your gallbladder. While they're doing this, they then again put some of this enzyme that causes the gallbladder to contract, and they measure how much the gallbladder empties. And I had that done yesterday. The function of my gallbladder is about 10% ejection, which you have to have over 35% or more for the gallbladder to be functioning normally. So I think I'm going to have gallbladder surgery. Since they put an isotope of radioactivity into your bloodstream to do the test, you are sort of radioactive for a day or two. The half-life of this isotope is 6 hours, and it's a very minute amount. And I happen to have a radiation detector. This radiation detector is from Adware Electronics in Wilmington, Delaware, and I'm going to be detecting the radiation that's coming out of my body, and I'm going to show you. This radiation detector detects alpha, beta, gamma, and X-rays. I bought it to experiment with detecting radioactivity and to test for radon in my home. You can connect it to a laptop and it samples the radioactivity. Usually if you have a basement, you put the device in the basement and then you go back a few hours later and then it'll show you the values of radon, if there are any, over time. And so I'm going to use this radiation meter to test the amount, or at least to show you that I have radioactivity coming out of my body. So it uses an earphone and a 9-volt battery, and it's a very sensitive device. Like the 9-volt battery. This device is near my body and it's clicking. Now I'm going to walk, as you can hear it's clicking. And this is where the gallbladder is. And it's going crazy. And now I'm going to back away from it. As I back away from it, it clicks less. This radiation detector is RM60. It's from Aware Electronics. Anyhow, that's how I'm Howard from Crazy Tech, radioactive guy. And now please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there.